Well, good evening, Southeast Texas. Rain, maybe even a rumble of thunder possible tomorrow as an upper level disturbance. The final disturbance within this upper trough finally moves across the state of Texas. It was a cold one today. We did reach 43 degrees. It's 22 degrees below normal for this time of the year. Normal high temperature 65 degrees. We were well below that. The record coldest high 26 back in 1951, so it could have been a lot colder, but thankfully it wasn't. But we still have one more night, another day of rain. In fact, a very good chance of rain coming up for your Thursday, 90% coverage. Temperatures not going anywhere, staying in the low 40s for highs tomorrow. Finally, some sun, up to 58 Friday. How about 70? Well, I mean, nice on Sunday and Monday as well. Pretty nice. Tuesday, we're up to 74. Heck, that's even better. Southeast winds off the Gulf, so much warmer weather, just a couple days away. Now, what to wear for your Thursday morning? Well, no change there. Coats in the morning, umbrellas, coats in the afternoon, umbrellas as well. Now, I think the rains will begin to taper off, though, as we head into the mid-afternoon hours. It's mainly just going to be light to moderate rain anyway, but it'll be tapering off. So one more miserable day. We start warming up Friday, more so Saturday. How about those 70s, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday? Very, very nice forecast. Then we'll cool down a little bit again as a weak cold front works in toward the middle part of next week. Rain chances, yep, they're still high tomorrow at 90%. A little bit of drying through Monday, then another chance of some showers, a few thunderstorms Tuesday night and Wednesday morning of next week. Rainfall totals from the system we're expecting to move on through. One more little disturbance to come by, a quarter to a half an inch. Some areas could see a little bit more. Rainfall should be a little heavier tomorrow than what we saw today and yesterday. Still lots of winter storm warnings in effect from northeast Texas all the way into southwest Texas. Ice storm warning continues across parts of west central Texas on up to west of Dallas-Fort Worth as well. So things will slowly begin to improve, though, tomorrow. Notice you'll start seeing a little bit less pink coloring, which will be less ice and freezing rain. Of course, lots of rain for us and cold temperatures. As we head on into tomorrow evening, things should really improve across even portions of North Texas. Ice accumulations over the next 24 hours, still pretty impressive, especially in west central Texas, out northwest of Waco, maybe a third of an inch to 1,300 to Wichita Falls, just adding to the serious problems up there. But by late tomorrow, certainly by Friday, things look so much better. Low pressure will be developing in the Gulf, too, along the front in response to the main upper disturbance, upper trough coming in from the west. And as that low passes to our south in the Gulf coming up tomorrow, they'll keep those rain chances pretty high. Speaking of the low that's going to cause the surface low to form, it'll out west of El Paso, and it's going to work gradually to the east over the next 36 hours. Finally into East Texas. Notice the wind direction will shift in the mid-atmosphere. That'll give us some drier weather, not only for us, but also central and northern Texas as well. So things looking much, much better. Futurecast tonight, temperatures not going to go much at all, but still dropping another degree or two. We're looking for mid to upper 30s lakes, right around 40, maybe some upper 30s in the triangle. Just periods of light rain and drizzle coming in from the southwest. Tomorrow, it's like today, just not going to warm up much at all. Highs only around 40, but that'll change those. You'll see on the 10-day forecast here in just a moment. Coastal marine forecast, these will run 2 to 3 feet. North winds up to 20 knots. Could be a little bit gustier at times. Water temperature 56 in the Gulf. Forecast for the lakes and triangle tonight, on and off rain. Now, a little bit of break right now, but toward daybreak it'll pick up. Lows mid-30s lakes, upper 30s in the triangle, near 40 down toward Port Arthur tomorrow. Another wet, breezy, cold day. Rain amounts should be a little more impressive tomorrow than what we had today and yesterday, but things will be ending in the early afternoon. Highs only in the low 40s, only near 40 up in the East Texas Lakes area. Of course, tomorrow being Groundhog Day, that's the miserable day here locally and across much of Texas. But look at the improvement. We'll clear out Friday, highs upper 50s after a morning start in the low 40s. We clear out, that means pretty cold, close to freezing there Saturday morning, especially up in the lakes area. But notice these highs, 70 on Sunday, 72 Monday, mid 70s on Tuesday. And there'll be some scattered showers in the forecast. Another front comes in. This is a weaker front though, but you'll see the showers and thunderstorms mainly scattered. Little bit cooler as we head toward Thursday and Friday of next week. So not a lot of cooling expected at all with that next front. Be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and for everything weather, be sure to tune in to 12newsnow.com.